This is how you can open any app from Control Center on your iPhone. Now swipe down and open Control Center, right? And tap anywhere, right? And then tap on Add Control from the bottom. And then scroll down until you find this section which says Shortcuts. After that, we have two options available here. Tap on Open App, all right? And then we are going to choose an app from the list of the apps that is shown here, which are the apps that I have on my iPhone, right? Now after that, okay, let me see. I'm going to choose the first app. All right, tap on that one and then tap Anywhere. And that app is being added to the Control Center. Now tap on Anywhere, all right? And then tap on the we can say control that you have added to the Control Center, which is for this app, all right? And tap on it, and then you will be able to open it just like that. Hope you like it. See you next time.